Learn about HTTP filtering the packets. How the HTTP will be used in the Wireshark, and how the packets which are captured in the web browser that will be captured in the Wireshark. That we'll learn today on using Wireshark. Let me quickly start the Wireshark. That we have used this interface as earlier in the first video. That we use this Wi-Fi as an interface here, and then here packets are started capturing already. So I'm just applying the filter HTTP here to just enroll what are the already present the HTTP packets this location here, and then we'll go to the web browser, that which is a Safari, inbuilt Safari in my MacBook. That we'll just look up for the module that Wireshark by Cross, and it which is a open source, which will be available in this browser. And then we'll look into it, and then we select here HTTP here. And basically the concept of this HTTP is just if we do the browsing on the any browser, that will search for a HTTP protocol packet that which captures in the Wireshark. That just it's a small process just to capture the packet based on the basic HTTP. Like if you just start a web browser and then get into the Wireshark, and you just start capturing the packets in the Wireshark, and just take a moment while, and you just enter into browser. Like I'll show right it now. Like HTTP conditional get response interaction. This I have already started the Wireshark start capturing the packets. I have entered here, like looking up for the HTML file. Yeah, here it is the site, and I just have entered this. Yeah, I got it. Congratulations again, you have downloaded the file. But I have retried it because I have already downloaded this file from the Wireshark just for the test case purpose. And then I'll just close it, and I'll just check it here for the HTTP filter applied here. And then I'll stop capturing the packets and just check which are HTTP. Yeah, got it here. Like we have searched for the Wireshark labs, that HTTP, that HTML file has downloaded through the Wireshark. And basically the get function, which is used for to get from the information from the server to browser. And then here we got a okay as a response. Like if you want to know whether whether the packet is captured or not, through this get and okay function, we'll get to know whether it was captured or not. Just get into the server, and just recall it the information to the server, and server gets response to the browser, that which will be got here as okay as a response. Yeah, that's it for this HTTP. Like we just figured. And if you want to know whether which frame used, and that entire details of the packet here, that HTTP protocol, that what we have used, host and range, upgrade, accept user agent, and accept language, accept encoding connection. And retrieving long documents is nothing but here we can see the multiple here we can see we got multiple messages, because it is a long file that is get it further divided into parts. Basically we can answer the many questions like how many HTTP get request messages did your browser send. And we got one message and 122 trace contains, and which packet number in the trace contains the status code and phrase associated with the response to get HTTP get request, and etc questions we can be answered. For that question we got the 122. Like, and next is the HTML documents with embedded objects. There are the HTTP protocol packets of file which we have image. Also you can see the status of the HTTP protocol packets in this figure. That after knowing this HTML documents with embedded objects, we can answer the type of the questions that internet address and how many HTTP GET request message that browser has sent, and where these requests are get and get using of the GET function, and that, and finally with um, HTTP authentication. Like HTTP authentication is nothing but that a web server has access to access the which site has a access that a public, and there are the HTTP protocol packets that it is belong to the authorized web page, and we have credential for that page, and we don't want to go to that page, and these packets are that are recorded when we authorize the file that which will be having that in the previous file. Like this is the basic concept of the HTTP, and